Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder of the intermediate class we taught on the 30th of November 2021 at the Kenn Centre. We did a first move walk around, recurring first move, Wurlitzer walk around, and a wrap in around the world. Links in the description below. Together, all joined up, they look like this. It goes 7 and 8. Back, in, walking around. We then use the twist out to go straight into the recurring first move, round and twist. Did 2 of those. Into the turn and return. Then 2 hands for our Wurlitzer walk around. We went across 3 times and then the wrap in round the world. Did that twice with a spin finish and hold it there. That was the whole thing. Hope you've enjoyed it. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Use your recommendation to practice to on the end. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft and thank you for coming to our classes. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.